Good morning, C++ students. Today we're starting with exam revision. We are going to answer 2023 exam paper, October-November 2023, question 1.1. Let me share my screen. And here's the question. All right, so the question is October 2023. Page 1, you can read all the instructions. It's 2 hours, 75 marks. So depending how fast you work, you should be, kind of spending about maybe 4 to 5 minutes on this question. Here's the question. It says, consider the C++ program segment code. What value will new val have after this code has been executed? Int variable 1 is equal to 4. Int variable 2 is equal to 10. Int new val is equal to 0. If var1 multiplied by 2 is greater than or equal to var2, new val is equal to 5 plus 2 multiplied by var2. Else, if var1 is less than var2, new val is equal to var2 minus var1 times 2. Else, new val is equal to var1. So I copied this into code blocks. And there we go, right? We're just playing around with it. Let's put that as 4. Let's put that as 10. So to save some time, I copy that in. If you don't have code blocks, you will have to do it with a pen and pencil paper. So here we go. I'm going to say, let's do it without running the program. So var1 is 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8. Is that greater than or equal to var2, which is 10? Let's just make this a comment statement. So the answer there is 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is greater than or equal to 10. No, it's false. So if it is false, it's going to skip line number 10 and it's going to go to line number 11. In line number 11, it says var1, the value of var1 is 4, is less than var2, which is 10. Is that true? 4 is less than 10. Yes, is true. So it goes to line number 14. And in line number, line number 13. And in line number 13, it says var2 minus var1, which is 10 minus var1, which is 4 multiplied by 2. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is indeed equal to 2. So the value of new val is 2. And that's where it will display it out there. Right? So it's going to end a value of 2. So they're testing you in line number 13 on BODMAS. Okay, let's run the program. Let's see if that is indeed the answer. If you're working on your own, you should run it and see what goes on. Let's compile. No errors, build and run. And the answer is indeed 2. So what you need to do now is you need to go and change this around, change this to 10 and 4. And without using the computer or the compiler, code blocks, see if you can get the same answer. If you can, you understand the if-else statement. In the next video, we'll talk about question 1.2 from October 2023. And eventually, we'll answer the entire paper. I hope you like it. And stop the recording. Stop the share. And